does Merriam-Webster stand for? Does it provide us with accurate information? Is there a good reason why we should install this app? Or is there anything we can learn from it? To check if it does expand your vocabulary and learning, today we are going to review his Merriam-Webster app. Good day, everyone. My name is Dianne Onde from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, Year 1, Section 8. So in this video, I am going to review a mobile application, namely the Merriam-Webster application, and I'll show you how to use it. So Merriam-Webster is known to be the America's most useful and respected dictionary. This software includes voice search, synonyms, antonyms, example of sentences, word of the day, and more, in addition to Merriam Collegiate Webster's dictionary definitions. It has a fun quiz that is actually a game, as well as a fresh approach to test and enhance your vocabulary. Is Merriam-Webster a trustworthy source of information? According to a website review by Karen Worsing, a writer from Common Sense, Merriam-Webster is a useful site that includes a complete dictionary and fair informative encyclopedia. All definitions are purely educational and straightforward. This means that we can trust this app, and it is a must-have app for us, especially those who are studying in educational courses or even when you're writing an essay. To be sure, seeing is believing. So first, install this application to your phone and open it basically. Then next, we explore. So let us search a word. Then we get the definition just one click away. We can use this app either online or offline, which is good because not all the time we have internet, and so it is very good for me as a user. We can even play a game here, which will help us to enrich our knowledge, and because of that, we can possibly apply what we have learned from the game that this app offers. This app is very useful, especially to those who want their vocabulary to expand, or whenever you're writing an essay. So I must say that this app is for you. Now, let us confirm why we need to have this app. We need to know what is the learning theory embedded in Merriam-Webster application. Now, let's go check it. As far as I've observed and researched reliable sources, I found out that there is a learning theory embedded in Merriam-Webster application. So the learning theory embedded in this application is decognitivism, which is being defined that it focuses on the mind, especially mental processes like thinking, knowing, memory, and problem solving, to unlock the black box of the human mind, which is regarded as useful and required for learning to occur. Thus, learning is regarded as a change in the learner's schemata or reframing past knowledge, and knowledge is addressed as schema constructs. We can say that there is a learning theory embedded in this application, which is the cognitivism, because it is not only a dictionary but also has a game in it. The purpose of the game is to entertain the users and as well as to impart knowledge. It has 3 types of game that will definitely fascinate you. One of which is all about finding the synonym of a word being presented. It also has a true or false and a name a thing game. It's quite tricky since it has time limits, scoreboard, and levels which ranges from light to devilish. So in order for you to reach another level, you need to reach the highest score on that present level. In every game, we can observe that it needs a stored information for one to recall so one can answer the problem. We learn through recalling, and from that we can say that there is a learning theory embedded in this application. Instruction generally captures students' attention and assists them in making sense of the material so it may be more easily retained, learned, and recalled later. However, there have been negative reviews about this application. Other users say that they had difficulty finding the meaning due to no highlight or not being emphasized in the definition part. Although the meaning is precise and straightforward, there are meanings that other users may hardly distinguish which one is the meaning. Yet I believe that it is just the matter of context. We need to distinguish in what way we are using the word, and that's how we relate it to the meaning defined by this application, Merriam-Webster. Therefore, I recommend this app for you to use because it does not only provide you knowledge or expand your vocabulary, but also serves you a time for educational leisure. So what are you waiting for? Enjoy the app and expand your knowledge right now. Again, this is Dianne Onde from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, Year 1, Section A. And I hope you learned something from our application review rather, in this video. See you again next video, and thank you for watching.